Alright, I got some cool stuff to show y'all today. Got a few things in. Let's see. Let's do this first. Got my log shirt in today. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. How cool is that? The man himself. Got support. Loving that. Got some Sky High merch. Heat shrink. Never have enough heat shrink. Grab some 4 gauge, some 0. I always just get the white. I don't know why. I'm like addicted to clean looking stuff. So can't you tell? My dirty ass basement corner dwelling here. What's this? I don't remember what this is. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this is I told y'all last week I was gonna get put the the rubber around the speaker pods. That's what this is. This is the trim for that. Should clean it up pretty good. So this is it's from Amazon. U-channel rubber edge trim. Okay. So y'all seen I cut that panel, that door panel out, and then I bolted that pod to the door. So there's like a cut edge around the door panel. So what I'm gonna do is take this rubber edge U-channel. It's got a little adhesive on the inside of it and go all the way around, and it should clean that up pretty good. A little black trim around the outside. That should look good. Here's what it looks like. You get a bunch of it. Should be enough to do both of the pods, no problem. Yeah, like that'll probably do one pod, and that'll probably do another pod, and then have a little bit left over. Got that. And I wanted to try this new sound deadener, Vevor. I don't know if it's actually new or whatever, but it said that it's supposed to be, similar to all the other stuff, but it's cheaper, and it's black. You can never find a knife or a razor blade. So I was like, okay, well I'll do the black. It's fine, it'll work. Let y'all see it. So here's what it's looking like. I know people don't really like the sheets, but I like it. I think it's 80 mil. It looks like it's 80 mil. So looks like everything else is just black, Adhesive on the back. It's cold down here, so yeah. I'm excited about my log shirt, man. It's gonna be fun. I know people are gonna ask me about this shirt. And y'all check out we switched up the waffle. We're not going to do the 2 motors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a top assembly, a 12-inch top assembly. I'm going to waffle off a completed subwoofer. So DCXL M2 motor with a 12-inch TI type basket with I don't know, SPL surround cone or something like that. But we'll figure that out. Check out the waffle. It's down a post or two. Go check out Sky High Car Audio. Check out Log, and Y'all stay tuned. I'll have some more videos.
Bye, y'all.